From the Access to Education Conference to your classroom, you'll bring back practical solutions to help your students access the curriculum. Our keynotes will inspire and empower you to help every student achieve. It's your opportunity to learn about purposefully designed accessible instruction. Plus, Pat and staff will be available daily to demo tech tools and brainstorm ideas with you. Don't delay. Register for the premier conference in accessible education in Indiana, the Patents Project's annual conference, Access to Education 2020.